Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know I didn't send a upload last week. I kind of took a couple days off. I was away for the week. So yeah, let's go over today's trading recap. I was trading the NASDAQ. I was trading the MNQ contract, which is actually the minis. One of the feedbacks that I got from last week was actually to go ahead and go down to the micros, lower than the minis, because you can have a lot more opportunity for smaller amounts of risk, and also still keeping those profits pretty high with those leveraged as well. So first off, just looking over the weeks, I did notice that on Friday we had a big green candle up to kind of defend us on that downside for the day. So I was actually looking for that buy side liquidity to be swept around 1540. We were able to do that all day today. It was a nice, beautiful green candle. So I'll just go ahead and actually launch my Ninja Trader here to just show you how it went for the day. As you can see, I'm up at 102.88, so I'm about a third the way up there, and we can actually see all the trades that I took this morning. A couple wins, couple losses. Overall, I think I did pretty well. As you can see, I had a big short near the end of the day down to that 1500 range, but let's go ahead and actually just break down those trades minute by minute here on the day. So let's go ahead and go back to where we took our trades. So here we go. And okay, so as you can see here, I had an entry just on that bottom of the candle, and I didn't close out here. I actually walked away from my desk, so I didn't close out. I was targeting previous day liquidity. It didn't sweep it there just yet. If I were to pull that up on this side here, if I just pull up that 60-minute, it didn't actually go through the first way in the morning. It took a little bit longer in the day to actually get that previous sell side liquidity. I know that chart is pretty messy, so I'll just clear that out. But I was looking for it to kind of reach up there. Didn't really sweep it throughout that day at all, but that's completely okay. So we can see I was stopped out here, and then I took another buy right at the bottom, and I was able to hit a nice close up here. And then again, I had a few more entries, and I was expecting a nice bounce. I didn't quite get it right away. I mean, this is on the 1 minute time frame, so it's much more volatile. But I noticed that even at these lows right here, that's still a good buy. I was stopped out right here. I should have had my liquidity a little bit lower on those higher time frames. It was just a little bit choppy, but I knew there was going to be a nice bounce upward towards that buy side liquidity. So I kind of came back in. I just held throughout all of 11, 12, noon, just kind of waited, and boom, at around 1 o'clock, I hit all my take profit for the day. I was able to crank out 15 to 100. So I was able to collect about 100 points on the NASDAQ, and I was able to collect $1,800 on that trade. And that brought me back in the green for the day, and I was walking away for the day. But then I saw this beautiful setup. It's much easier to see on that 15-minute time frame if I were to pull it up. But we see that really strong reduction on that candle, that big doji. And I knew that we were just going to go back down to that previous fair value gap just at the bottom along here. So I was able to take that trade towards the bottom side, and then I was done for the day. So that was all the trades I took for the day today. As always, if there's anything you guys want to see, anything you guys want to go over, if there's anything like showing my Rhythmic trading account that you guys want to see, I'll pull it up right now. It's just going to disconnect me here real quick. But as we can see, yesterday I was doing okay with cash on hand. We're up about $2,000, and yeah, we're doing pretty good, and we'll be kind of moving along, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, awesome. Hope everybody had a great time on today's Monday. It is a little bit of a lighter week because we're anticipating a lot of those news moves throughout the rest of the week. We have a very busy week upcoming. It's about to be the swing of fall. Labor Day is coming. And we also have those month-end reports coming in as well. So I'm super excited to see what this week brings. And yeah, Hope you guys have a fantastic Monday.